Hi, friends. I wanted to give you a few updates on how things are going. First of all, next Sunday is the 3-year anniversary of when I first came to Pinuel, which is crazy. I hope you all realize just how much I have wanted to be with you and do life with you and work with you since that first meeting. Um, as I think about what the Lord has done in the last 3 years, I see so many obstacles to my coming that were in place that God slowly and systematically made non issues. Um, the current obstacle that is in place is that I need funding to come. I need to raise the first year's funds in order to apply for my sponsorship for my visa. And because of some uh, issues with that, I now need to have that funding in place by the end of December, which means I have 2 more months to raise another $18,000, which is a lot by worldly terms, and of course is hardly anything in God's terms. Uh, One way that this obstacle has been made less is that we used to not have a way for people in Wales to contribute to my fund, and that problem has recently been solved. So if you are someone who has wanted to contribute to my fund and didn't have the chance, now is your opportunity. And if you are someone who is excited about the idea of me coming to Pinuel, now is the time for you to get to help make that happen. Um, so I will be putting up instructions after this video of how you can contribute to that fund. And I hope that you will join me in praying for the door to be opened to me and that you would prayerfully consider giving to my fund in order to help make that happen. Uh, I love you guys. I miss you so much, and I hope to see you soon.